Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and have a look at the overall market so that you stay up to date in the world of Web3. Today, guys, we're going to have a look at the market. Bitcoin is at 75k, uber bullish. I missed the live stream yesterday because I was traveling out to Thailand. I'm in Thailand now, in Bangkok, ready for DevCon next week, ready to meet with lots of different projects. A lot of you, the guests that have come on the show as well, we've got Nick from Assista, he's in Bangkok. We've got Harry and Jolly from Zebu, they're coming over. And even that Martini guy is coming up to Bangkok, all for DevCon next week. Super bullish week, guys. But first, let's have a look. I want to talk about Ethereum today. As always, we're going to place a trade on Solana over on Blofin. And I've got a funny story to share about my last trade on Solana. Came within inches of liquidation, and now I've taken profit on a nice trade there, guys. So we've got John in the chat. GM John, hope you're doing well. We've got Bruce all the way from down under. How are you doing, Bruce? Good to see you, my man. And we've got Shred It. Hope you're doing well, guys. As always, guys, as we go through this, if there's anything that you want me to have a look at, if there's altcoins, even meme coins, even some low liquidity meme coins, guys, whack them in the chat. I'll have a look at them. Let's make this a bit fun. Let's go through it. But let's first have a look at Bitcoin. Let's head over to TradingView to have a look at Bitcoin as well. Have a look at Stonksy here. Stonksy called this absolute lovely incline here, all the way from around $69,700 up to where it is right now. If you'd caught it all the way up at here, all-time highs around 76,300. Great scenes here. Let's measure this quickly, guys. Let me know in the chat if you're using Stonksy. Oh, lovely. 7% gain up to there. I will show you into the Discord. There's a user who's been using Stonksy. He didn't want to post himself, but he was happy me giving him a shout out. He's been using Stonksy to trade. And as you can see here, he's got a winning streak of over 26 times. He actually complained to me and he asked if I could reach out to PHEMEX. Because as you can see here, once he got to 26, it just counted. It couldn't even count the win streaks anymore. Kept coming in at 26, and he's still on this winning streak. He thinks he's at about 30 now. Let me pull these up. I believe he uses a relatively small account. I think maybe he started with $1,000, something like that. And you can see here, look, we'll just go through them. 5% gain, $51 profit. 11% gain, $113 profit, and it just keeps coming. And what he's been doing, he's been using Stonksy. I can actually tell if we go down here, this is what he put. I use a combination of 10 minutes, the 15-minute, and the 1 hour on Stonksy. I only trade Monday to Friday in the afternoons after 1:30 p.m. And I set a take profit when opening a trade. So he's been absolutely killing it. He's been using Stonksy religiously. I'm actually going to get on a call with him and ask him a little bit more about his procedure so it can help other members as well, guys. We've got JC in the chat. JC, hope you're doing well. Everyone should grab some Dion. We'll have a look at Dion in a sec. I'll go over to Deck Screener and we'll have a look at Dion because super cool meme. And also, I think the Say network is going to explode soon. And like I've mentioned before, early adopters on chains with meme coins often do very well. We've got Wizard of Alt as well. Make Ethereum great again. Yeah, we're going to talk about Ethereum. You know what? Let's head over to Ethereum now. I'll pull up the ETH Bitcoin chart here. This is on the daily. So from the daily, you can see, we've had pretty much all the way from this is December 2021, where we saw highs up here, 0.8 to 0.088 roughly. And then back into the 2022 in September, 0.85, and then ever since then it's been coming down. I think highs of this year started off the year quite high back in January, 0.059, 0.06 there, roughly. But right now we're down, lows of 0.03. And look, if we look on the daily, lovely daily candles here. Let's have a look on the 1 hour chart. If we look on the 1 hour, absolutely killing it. I would like to see this come, if we scroll out a little bit, I would like to see this back up 0.06. Will it do it? It seems Bitcoin is making some good headway. But when Ethereum, if we see those gains from Bitcoin come into Ethereum, we see the only problem is I actually spoke to Wizard of Alt, who's on the chat earlier, and the problem right now with Ethereum is the revenue is actually getting cheaper. With all these layer twos, the revenue for Ethereum is not so much. It kind of puts into question, ETH as a token itself. Yes, Ethereum as a whole network is being used more, but with less revenue, with these layer twos kind of taking advantage of that, even though it's on Ethereum, there's actually less revenue for the token itself. So will we see, Ethereum this bull run compared to previous, if we go back to the daily here, will we see these kind of inclines with ETH dominance that we've seen in previous bull runs? Now that, yes, the Ethereum network is growing, but there's perhaps less revenue on Ethereum, which eventually goes into the ETH token itself, with different burn mechanisms, etc. Will we see it? Let me know in the chat what you think, guys. Is Ethereum a good bet? We've been talking about it. I think a lot of people have been disheartened with Ethereum. I was looking at switching over my Ethereum over to Solana recently, but right now I've made the decision to stick it out. I think we'll see how it goes for the rest of Q4. If we go over to the markets page here, we can see Ethereum obviously up almost 8% today, 7 days, 6%. So let's get this market cap above 400 billion. Realistically, Ethereum should be, I did a tweet this morning, Ethereum under $4,000 is a steal. If we've got Bitcoin at all-time highs right now, Ethereum all-time high, I believe, is near enough the 5,000 mark. Let's have a look. Let me share this page. Let's go to ETH, USD. Let's go Coinbase. That would do. Let's go on to the daily chart and let's have a look at the all-time high. Let me know in the chat if you know the all-time high off by heart, but I think it's around the 5,000 mark. Let me get rid of the lines on Stonksy. Let me just take off Stonksy for now. This on the daily. Okay, yeah, 4,861 roughly. So 4,800 was all-time high. So if we've got Bitcoin setting these all-time highs right now, there's a lot of move here. There's a lot of price action to be happen to pardon the pun there. A lot of price action to happen. We've also got in the chat, we've got Shreddit saying, check out Hello Labs behind Killer Whales, season 2 coming early next year, and a whole token ecosystem being implemented before that, 10x down from all-time high. Okay, yeah, we'll have a look at that. So Dion, hello. Any more guys? I will jump into them in a sec as well. We've got Alex saying ETH will always be top coin in my opinion. Yeah, it's you've always got to have a bit of ETH in your portfolio. Even if you don't have Bitcoin, you've got to have ETH in your portfolio. He says, was tempted to swap mine to Sol. Yeah, a lot of people were, but I think probably when people are looking to make the swap, perhaps is the right time to kind of hold on to it. I know Vitalik will probably be having a boner over these green candles, and hopefully momentum keeps going, guys. Don't make me pull up the picture of Vitalik with a boner. I've got it as my background now. Kidding, guys. Let's have a look at the Sol chart on trading view. Let's have a look if Stonksy is pulling up an indication. Let's go Sol USD. There we go. And then let's put a live trade on, guys. Let's go to the 5 minute. We will check out the 3 minute as well. Let's put Stonksy on. Where are you, Stonksy? Let's go. There we go. Let's put this on. Okay. So Stonksy on the 5 minute is in a long, but it's been in a long since around 172. It's actually come out of the long position here. Oh, do I go short, guys? Let me show you on Blofin my last trade. It was a funny one. So you can see here, I believe I took the trade on Friday last week on a live stream, and it was a long position at 170. And if we look at the price action, you can actually see where I entered this trade. It was around here at the 170 mark, and it came all the way down here, all the way down to 154.8 around there, and my liquidation point with $2,000 in that account, guys, was at $154.30. So I survived liquidation by a few cents, and then it came all the way up here, and then it hit my take profit at 182, and I profited over $1,000. So this account now has just shy of $3,000. We started this live stream account with $1,000, guys. So the plan is before Christmas, we're going to get this account to $10,000. Hopefully survive some liquidations like this one. This one was close. We would have had to start from zero again. Maybe started from $100, but we've got $3,000 to play. Let me know in the chat. I'm tempted for a quick short. I'm thinking right now on Solana. Do you know what? I'm going to lock it in. Let's go 100. So short. Let's lock that in, guys, and we'll keep an eye on that. And now let's head over to Dex Screener. Let's have a look at a few of these meme coins that you guys want to go through. Guys, whack your meme coins in the chat. We will go through those. We've also got Web3 Tomo is in the house. Web3 Tomo, I hope you're enjoying Vietnam, my man. We've got Ken here as well. Hi, what do you think on OM? Let's have a look at OM, actually. Let me pull that up as well. OM is Mantra. Mantra, I believe, it's a privacy coin. Let me go over to CoinGecko. Let's have a look at Mantra as well. I do hold a bit of Mantra, but I haven't been paying attention to Mantra. I got in during like the pre-sales, sold a bit off, but let's have a look at it now. I haven't kept an eye on it. Okay, we are on CoinGecko. Let me just pull this up and I will switch over. Okay, so we've got 4% up today, $1.44. If we go on year to date, though, yeah, it's actually really doing well, chugging away. So yes, stupidly enough, I've been selling Mantra as it's been going along the way. Probably lost a little bit of hope along these levels back in May. Probably sold off at mid 2 billion, doing well. Fully diluted is over double, so there is more tokens to come out, but this is what you expect with a new coin. If we head over to the website, let's have a look at mantrachain.io. Let's share this tab. Okay, you should be able to see that now. Give me 2 secs. It doesn't seem to be showing up on the screen. Can you see the Mantra website, guys? Yeah, brilliant. There we go. Okay, so bringing the world's financial ecosystem on chain. Mantra is a purpose-built RWA layer 1 blockchain capable of adherence to real-world regulatory requirements. That's what it was. It's not privacy. It's actually a real-world asset. So like they said, they're trying to bring in financial ecosystems on chain. We've seen this happen before, but Mantra, they did a really good raise, and from launch they've been smashing it now at $1.50. So permissionless chain for permission applicants. You've got builders for traders, etc. Let's look. So this is for builders. Let's look for traders. That applies more to us. Let this load. Okay, simplify your crypto investments. Why Mantra? Control all yours. Security top tier. Transparency always. So full transparency of funds facilitated by on-chain transactions, KYC and AML screening for enhanced user security, audited smart contracts and institutional grade infrastructure, on-chain staking coverage and insurance are features. OM staking. What they're showing as APY there. Let me just get rid of that. Understood. Get rid of the cookies. The website's a bit buggy. I'm not going to invest because of this. Not because of my Wi-Fi. I've got 300 megabits now. I'm in Thailand. But I'll tell you what, Mantra, as RWAs go, I think RWAs this bull cycle will do really well. But before it peaks, I'm going to be selling off my real RWA tokens because it seems to happen with real world asset tokens. They do really well in a bull cycle, and then as soon as that bear market comes, regulation slaps them and they kind of stop their tracks a little bit. Mantra, like I say, I do have a bag. We'll have to check my holdings. I'm not going to be buying today. But where are we right now? Just shy of 150. If we come back down to this $1.25 region, which I don't think we will, to be honest, I think if we go below 130, I'm buying a ton of Mantra. I think it looks good. So thanks for shouting that out, Ken. It was Shreddit wanted to look at Hello, didn't he? Let's have a look at Hello token. And I'll pop this up on screen for you guys. And I'll also pop the comment up here. Okay, Shreddit said, check out Hello Mates, Hello Labs behind killer whales. The internet's struggling. Sorry if it's laggy, shouldn't be. Maybe it's my setup. Okay. I can't find the right one right now. I'll find that in a sec. So internet is lagging. Shall I rage quit? Let's have a look at King T. I can see that in the chat. Any more meme coins, guys, shout them out. And I'm going to look at Dion as well on the Say chain. King T. Let's load this up. But yeah, guys, hope you're all doing well. I hope you caught the pump as well. It's been a good one. Okay, here we go. King T, share this tab. Coming straight up, guys. King T right now is taking a bit of a dump after he's actually been elected. But this is one of the Trump narratives that I think can pump throughout for the next 4 years. So 73K is good buying range. It's been chilling above 100K for a while now. Should be sharing this. Can you see this on screen, guys? It's not coming through yet for me, but it should be sharing on screen. It says trading view still on screen. There we go. King T should be able to see it. All good. Okay, yeah, cool. So we've got market cap here. It hit over 120 recently. I know the devs behind this. A lot of sell pressure right now. But I think some KOL is going to get behind it. I think can be a good one. So keep the eye on that as well, guys. Let's have a look at Dion. Let's go over to Dion, which is on the Say chain. Woohoo, Celine Dion. And we've got Wizard Vault and JC that are helping push this, behind this. Super low market cap, guys. 9K, went up to around 30, 40K right now. But they're so active. If you go over onto TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all of those, they're literally posting out so much memes. So it's a killer team. It's just unfortunate there's not much volume on the Say network right now. But I think this will change. Say is in the top 100. I think it's around 90 market, top 90 market cap wise. It's a gaming chain, but it's super fast, super efficient, really cheap. And I think more people are going to become aware of this. We've seen the rise of Sui, which is similar. And I think Say will like harness some of that growth as well there, guys. But any more meme coins, any more altcoins to go through as well? Sammy T is saying Chippy. Of course, let's have a look at Chippy. We've got free Chippy Friday tomorrow as well. So make sure to have 100K tokens, get fish and chips from anywhere around the world. And then you get a $20 airdrop as well. And price has gone up since last week's airdrop. So that must be around $25, $30 airdrop right now. But let's have a look at Chippy. I'm just going to have a drink of water. Oh, misclicked. All right, let's pull up Chippy. Let me know in the chat if I should put that $1,000 that trade on Solana to a new setup, because this is getting slow, guys, and it's not the Wi-Fi, so it must be my setup. That is the problem of traveling around, though. I use an iPad and a laptop when really I want a lovely, nice desktop. Let's pull this up, see what it says on Chippy. Yeah, Shreddit says I'm brave, short, and so I agree with you. This is going to be after, if I don't close the trade after this after the stream, I'm going to put very tight stop loss on it. Just to clarify, I am very bullish on Solana, but right now there may be a little bit of a pullback, and we will scalp that very well. I've clicked on the wrong Chippy. How has this happened? Guys, do not buy this Chippy. This is the wrong Chippy. Let me pull this up. For some reason being super slow. Right, here we go. Pull up Chippy. Okay, yeah. Adam saying new setup, lots of vids are laggy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sort it out. I don't think it's StreamYard. Perhaps it's because I got a VPN on, but VPN it's still running at 300 megabits a second. The internet over in Thailand is major. Okay, Chippy, $3.2 million market cap. Yeah, look, nice movement since this morning as well. Actually, we came down. Came down from 3.6. Doing well. If we go, this is on the 5-minute chart. If we go over onto the 1 hour, let's have a look at the 1 hour. So almost back up to 4 mil, and then we've come down from there. But some nice. If we look at patterns like Block Pro was saying on the stream on Monday, you can see this. We filled this, and now we've got this to come. So hopefully we can come back up to 4 mil. Next target, really, we need to break through 5 mil. We've got a 7 mil target after that. Speaking to the developers again on Tuesday, they're working hard behind the scenes on the website. We're looking to add staking features. We're going to go do a spaces. We're going to go live with TMG as well. And we're going to be talking about the new kind of NFT plushies idea that we're pushing as well. So if we can replicate what Pudgy Penguins are doing, it will be amazing as well. We got JC saying, is Chippy forming a cup and handle? Cup and handle to the moon. What happened to Hello Shredder? Yeah, I'll pull that up now. Let me pull that up. Let's have a look at Hello, guys. Sorry for the lag today. Need to sort this out somehow. Let's have a look at Hello. Let me know in the chat, guys, as well. What were some of your best trades over the last few days? Have you done well on any meme coins? Is it the Shredder? Is it Hello Pets or Hello itself? I think you mentioned Hello Pets, didn't you? Let me just pull this up. Okay, let me share this screen. And let me pull up Shreddit's original comment as well. Abs behind Killer Whale on screen. Yep. Guys, don't hack me while I've got my VPN off. Guys, I'm back. It didn't actually end, but we're gonna blow it. Let's have a look at where the trade's at right now. Yeah, internet issues. If you're still here, it's pretty funny. Let's go over to Blofin, have a look. Let's go onto the soul chart. Yeah, I tried disconnecting my VPN and then it just completely logged me out of StreamYard. We're in a profit, so maybe I wasn't so bold. I put super tight take profit and a stop loss on this one, guys. I will show you here. Up at 186.29, 188.29. So $100 either way, guys. So let's hope we make this trade. But yeah, I will end it here, guys. Thanks for joining. Who else we got here as well in the chat now? JC, Maureen says Spud blink twice low. Alex, Adam saying Tatties for Spud. Maureen saying welcome back. But guys, I'm having a live stream tomorrow with Solana ID, with Simon from Solana ID. You'll catch that at 11 a.m. UTC. I'm also going on the Minted show at 9 a.m. More details will be in the Discord for that. Guys, come join me over on the CSC Plus Discord. We're going to be getting into quite a lot there. We're going to be talking more about Stonksy as well. But guys, thank you for joining. Apologies for the for the interruptions of today's stream. But guys, I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.